What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ngayon papanoorin natin itong Player 2 featuring si Philip of SB19, no? Fly. Pero ang daming way, eh. Fly. Let's go.
Chains like new swings, still got the same chick, no new flames. Been hot for years, no new fame. Cuban links on me like 2 chains. Trap bounce, now we jumping on best brains. Life good, man, I really can't complain. So fly, can't nobody clip my wings. On top, and I wanna can't behave. Man, I fly to the DIE, she build a pipe slowly, no PVC. When the money talks, come CC me. I be cruising down the street with an easy E. I need a money tall like a mountain.
Si Philip, oh. Dito naman siya agad, no?
See me walk, I'll be running around on a shopping spree like a Hilton.
And it's all day, all day.
Eh.
Spending all day.
So para sa akin kaya inintroduce siya as Philip, hindi as Ken Suson, no? Kasi yung vibe na, kasi ganito yung vibe ng ni Philip, no? And then yung pagkakapronounce niya ng kanta and paano siya kumanta, the way he acts talaga, the way he sings talaga. Ganto kaya inintroduce siya. Para sa kanya, introduce siya as Philip, not as Ken, no?
That's right.
Didn't contemplate, yeah. Yeah, it's all day, all day. Straight to the right. Spending my money, I don't give a fuck, no matter the price. Expensive life, you can deny it. I'm on the road, taking a race, just rolling the dice.
Cruising around the city with my bros and got a long sleeve, gotta let them know, yeah. Don't blast off higher than them most high, looking so fly, so fly, looking so. Cruising around the city with my bros and
I like the fact na hindi lang yun si Philip, kasi usually di ba pag collaboration yung mga featuring na like may certain parts lang siya ng kanta na mag-a-appear and then the whole song wala na siya, no? Dito kahit hindi kumakanta si Philip, kasama talaga siya and naki-vibe siya. So dito makikita talaga na ano, talagang ewan ko yung dedication ni Ken sa craft niya talaga ni Philip. And kung paano niya i-support yung artist, yung mga artist, no? Dito makikita talaga.
I was a fucking fool, oh my god. With my baggy jeans I'm wearing, oh my god. I'm my favorite rare, oh my god. I'm that pretty motherfucker, oh my god.
What can I do? This ain't nothing new. How did I can I get you when I go on a date and pursue? So don't be confused.
Philip talaga yung tunog.
We not the same, you on the floor, I'm on the roof.
Let's go!
Chillin' with the bros, know we got it, so circus monkeys, you fake. Checking boxes, we do it all along. This motherfucking clip. Piece of my pain, a piece of my brain, but then everything we do it again. Never look back, never lose track. Stepping your facts, this is my backyard. We were running, pivots, boom, winners. Tosses up past us. Watch your figures, claiming letters, we work solid. Fuck spitter, yes you hate him, really barking our calls. Dinner, we shimmer, shining glitter. Fuck you and your thoughts, bitter.
And it's all day, yeah. Spending all day, yeah. Didn't contemplate, yeah. Yeah, it's all day, yeah. Straight to the right. Spending my money, I don't give a fuck, no matter the price. Expensive life, you can deny it. I'm on the road, taking a race, just rolling the dice.
cruising around the city with my bros and got a long sleeve, gotta let them know, yeah. Don't blast off higher than them most high, looking so fly, so fly, looking so. Cruising around the city with my
Hey, hey,
Long sleeve, gotta let 'em know, yeah.
hey, hey.
Blast off hotter than a Mozart. Looking so fly, looking so fly, looking so.
Nice one. Look at that, bro. Eee. Nice one. Alam niyo yung itong player 2, no? Gustong-gusto ko yung kanta nito, lalo na yung ano, yung She got a body like an animal dripping all night. Anong kanta yan? That's My Baby, no? Gustong-gusto ko yung kanta nilang yan, as in talaga na. Eto, naglupa sila. At saka yung tunog nila talaga, hindi ko alam eh. Basta yung tunog nila, parang pwede mong halos ma-compare na parang hindi mo maakalain na mga Pinoy pala itong mga to, no? Akala ko, parang ganun yung vibe na parang nagulat na lang ako na Pinoy pala itong mga to, yung mga kumakanta, no? Akala ko kasi ibang bansa talaga sila. Asin. Nagulat na lang ako Pinoy itong player to, no? So, yung tunog nila, para sa yung tunog nila is napaka not Pinoy-like talaga, as in. Hindi ko sinasabi na gagaya sila sa ibang bansa, pero yung expectation mo, hindi mo akalain na kaya ng Pinoy na gumawa ng ganong kanta, no? Or mga ganong vibe, no? So, ang galing lang. Shoutout sa player to. And syempre, shoutout kay Philip, no? So, shoutout sa'yo. And napaka-solid lang, syempre, nakasama mo ang player to, no? And sabihin ko lang sa inyo, no? Sobrang naging active ni Philip ngayon, no? Sobrang naging active ni Philip, no? And gusto ko yung ganito na open siya for collaborations, no? Kasi ito naman yung maganda, pag nagko-collab kayo, no? Like, if may isang artist na ipag-collab sa isang artist, no? May tendency po yan na talagang makatulong sila sa isa't isa, no? Kasi pag halimbawang nag-collab kayo sa isa't isa, kunyari, ang fanbase ng Player 2, and tapos si Philip, kinolab nila, no? Syempre, yung fanbase ng Player 2, makikilala si Philip, no? And then, syempre, si Philip naman, vice versa, yung mga fans ni Philip, which is 18, and syempre, mga CCU, let's go, no? May kilala rin ng Player 2, no? So, ayan yung parang pinaka-magic pag sa mga collaborations, no? So, ano rin to, napakagandang growth din to sa kanila, no? And syempre, sa Player 2, para makita rin nila and parang matutunan din nila kung paano ba matrumabaho ang isang Philip, no? And as the same as kay Philip, no, sa Player 2, no? And para sa akin bagay yung gantong vibe kay Philip, no? Kasi si Philip, alam niyo naman, di ba, pag si Philip, as Philip, no, parang rockstar siya na yung mga tugtugan niya, no? Pero bagay kay Philip yung ganto, no? And to be honest, gusto ko yung gantong dating na Philip, no? Ang angas, no, napaka-misteryoso, tapos iba eh, hindi ko alam kung paano i-explain yung vibe ni Philip dito, no? Napaka-misteryoso na napaka-charismatic na ewan, no? And tingnan ko, comment down below nga, hindi ko ma-describe talaga as in kung ano yung dating or ano yung pinaka character ni Philip talaga ngayon, as in, napaka-gustong-gusto kong gantong dating ni Philip, no? Hindi sa sinasabi ko hindi gusto si Philip as Ken sa SB19, no? Pero as Philip, gusto kong gantong side ni Philip na nag-switch siya, bigla siya nag-switch siya, gantong klaseng side, no? Ang galing lang, nakabilib. Let's go. So, yun lang, kung malakas mga ka-comment, double remiss nyo sa Facebook page ng Point of Pens. So, this is Point of Pens signing out. Peace, let's G.